4, 3, 2, 1.
Prepare yourselves!
Alright, went to Zula's.
It's too far away.
Tree milk. Don't be near him.
Isn't ready yet.
Seath. Now Gak.
Isn't ready yet.
Easy.
I'm
Spee. Senpai.
It's too far away.
Barada. Try not to let him die over there, guys. Bring him this way.
Come to the back of the room. Hold the DPS.
It's fine,
Hold.
so just
Yep.
just
Seath.
go.
Persevered against some of my best advisors, but none can withstand
I
the
got a
might
PT.
of the blood hammer.
Perfect.
At max range, so you
4,
avoid fear.
3,
Lord
2,
Sanguinar.
1.
Tremor totems down.
Blood for blood.
Long fight. Feel free to use the 3-minute cooldown. Two tanks will be up next to the boss. Other than that, everybody in max
4,
range.
3,
Misdirecting on Darum.
2, 1.
Thus endure I reign supreme.
Max range.
Don't send your pet in.
You guys can go.
Back up a little when you can, dear.
Heading over to my dude.
You have proven worthy to test your skills against my master
4,
engineer,
3,
Telonicus.
2,
Melee, watch out for the
1.
bombs.
Anora Valore.
Heading over for weapon.
Make sure you kind of spell the
As
staff.
you see, I have many weapons in my arsenal.
Lost yet? Not yet. $50 seconds.
Go get a
bow,
taunt.
the bow has went to melee range, extra heals. Watch out for multi-shot as it's moving.
I taunted off you for a second.
Thank you.
Where's the dagger?
20-second.
It's like right in here, sir.
Get your weapons.
Perhaps I underestimated you. It would be unfair to make you fight all 4 advisors at once, but
4,
fair
3,
treatment was
2,
never shown to my
1.
people. I'm just returning the favor.
I picked up the wrong weapon.
Lust.
Go pick up the right one.
Where is it?
It's despawned now.
Okay.
He's on me, but I can't move.
You're fine. He's far away, Greg. He's gonna switch.
Hit on 6.
Six.
6, you're going to have to run towards us. Run towards us.
Make sure you
That's
use
on
your
C.
cooldown.
The Lunder.
DPS check.
Run towards us. Hopefully he's going to swap soon. Karada.
To the back of the room.
The back.
Back of the room.
Run this way.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Some Gralix. Lemmy. Rex dead.
Alright, range on the caster compared to you. Max range.
Alright, use the
Try to stay to
staff
the right.
buff. Sanguinar ran over. If you have a staff, use the buff, thank you.
Should we battle res Rex or save it?
Yeah.
Yes. Next phase in 5 seconds. You got the staff buff,
4,
Sarah?
3, 2, 1.
Melee, watch out. Phoenix is spawned. Finish up Telonica.
NCDs. Healthstones, you're low. Range stack up. See?
Bird at 10.
Let's just kill the Phoenix. Get the egg.
Move to the right.
All the range
Go.
move, all the range move.
Get the egg.
Kill the
Egg. See? Shock Bear should be coming up.
Good, the bird's coming right for you.
MCs. Range come, stack on star.
That stupid shield on you,
Watch
man.
out, range. You're gonna get fucking flame blasted. Can you use your BR on DB?
Phoenix about to die.
Egg.
Egg.
Graves dead.
Graves dead.
Lemmy, you're gonna have to tank the birds.
Alright.
MCs.
Bird.
Flame strike.
Range trick. Range come, stack on star. MC.
Use the stone or whatever you have to.
Flame strikes on melee.
Right on.
Watch out. MC.
Bird's about to
Phoenix about to
die.
die. Kill the egg.
New bird.
When you can.
MC.
MCs.
Range, watch out. Flame strike. MCs.
Air phase, watch out for that phoenix. Kill the egg.
Kill the egg.
Kill the egg. Get to the egg.
MCs is
Watch
still
out.
up.
Watch out for the flame strike too.
Things can still get MC. And there's flame strike, like Zero said.
Let's move up some.
Let me in the air. The birds won't aggro anything, but you can build aggro on them.
Okay, thank you.
What do I do in the air?
Just get it.
Float, but don't go to the top.
Okay, gotcha.
Don't touch the ground either, otherwise it'll bounce you all the way back up.
Space out as well, and watch out for the clouds. Also,
Refresh stat buffs.
4,
yes, thank
3,
you.
2, 1.
Bird.
Okay, cool. 3-minute cooldowns are up.
What do you want less power?
It's already done. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Spread out.
Forgot.
I need to get closer.
Oh,
Spread
gotcha.
out. Get away from the black boss.
Spread yourselves out. If you're around somebody getting shocked, you're too close.
Laps
Gravity lapse about it in.
Don't be too
Get
high.
close to the ground.
So don't touch the ground. Ending. The higher up you get dropped.
You should
Use
cool
Use
down.
hailstones. Hailstones.
If you can start getting some traps and other slows out, there's gonna be tons of Phoenix coming. Phoenix on the other side of the room. I'll just keep trying to mark them as they come.
Can we get some slows for the Phoenix?
Traps down in the back. Moving up towards the front.
No.
No.
Use hailstones if you're low.
Flame strike. Flame strike.
Flame strike.
Traps are down.
Bird response running.
Get rid of that. Hailstones if you're low.
I'm out of range.
3 birds now.
Spread out. Watch out for the clouds. If you're too close and you're getting shocked, move away from whoever's close to you. Stay close to the ground. 3-minute cooldowns should be up. Push them.
Slows and traps, whatever you can.
Concussive shot. Anything that'll slow these phoenixes.
Lemmy's about to go down.
All out DPS on the boss. Phoenixes are coming around the side. Watch where they're coming. Don't die. Have burned all of your cooldowns. Keep pressing them. Little less clean, but he's dead.